And I'm gonna have to sit here and try to figure out how these need to be oriented. So I want the best part of the board to be on top. Because that's going to be the work surface. So, and I'm looking at end pieces, knots where they need to be cut, and make sure those are going to be outside my 60 inches that I'm wanting to make this. See, like this one here has a huge knot at the end of it, which I don't mind so much, but if I can not have it, I'd rather not. This one also has a knot at the end of it, and it has a like a saw blade kerf in it that needs to be cut out. And also I'm going to have two different components that I'm going to be gluing together. So the bulk of these are going to be the top. Well, they're all going to be the top, but the bulk of the work surface. Then I'm going to have a tool well, and then there's going to be another laminated section on the other side of the tool well. So there's going to be two laminated sections that'll end up being joined together. And this is at 2.5. So and so what I'm probably going to do is flip all these over as I'm looking at it. So the bottom of this will actually be the tops. So that way they're all sitting on the pipe. And they're sitting flush. Alright, so I did something with my small glue bottle. So I bought a good bit of glue in a big bottle, and I plan on just pouring it into the smaller bottle and using it. But I don't know what I did with the smaller bottle. So I'm going to take this old water bottle and use it, hopefully not make too big of a mess. So I'm just going to cut a little slit in the top. Like watching paint dry, huh? Watching glue pour. All right, let's see how this works now. Well, comes out a whole lot faster than a glue bottle. Oh, gravity. All right. Just want to line up all my edges, even though I'm going to cut it. All right, so while our top is drying and hopefully sticking together, I have two, I think these are 14-foot pieces that I'm going to cut into 3-foot lengths. Yeah, so these are 14s. So I'm going to cut 4 3-foot lengths so that we can glue these together for the legs. So it'll be 2 side to side. And so I'll get started. I'm going to hit these with the hand plane just to clean them up a little bit. And it still looks like it may or may not rain. It gets cloudy one minute and then the sun comes out the next. So not sure what's going to happen. Sometimes when you plane, depending on how the wood grain runs, if your wood grain is sticking up and you plane against it, it'll dig down and make it peel up. If your wood grain is running down and you plane, then it just cuts the tops off and keeps it smooth. So sometimes the grains run different ways, and when you hit a piece that's where the grains are running up and you're cutting against the grain, it'll have blowouts like that.